Hi guys, we're just looking at our front window, which has blinds on it, which have little plastic clips at the end of these tape supports, or whatever we want to call them, and most of those clips are broken. So guess what I'm thinking of doing? Yeah, another bit of 3D printing. So I should take some measurements and see if I can come up with a 3D design. It won't be identical, and at the moment I don't have any white filament, so I shall do some test ones in, I've got purple in there at the moment. We'll see what we can come up with. Basically it stops all this hanging down underneath. As usual, I got my dimensions completely wrong on version 1. That's version 2. You can possibly see the difference. About 4mm, well, maybe 5mm. That was too short. So, let's see if we can get one to fit. It just goes over the bottom here and holds the excess tape in the little gap underneath. So it goes on there and clips in place. And that's it. Job done. Except that's purple and I'll have to get some white filament. because I need, let's have a look. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So I'll have to order some white filament. But that's it. That's a perfect fit. I'm very pleased with that. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.